Are you ready to play? Let's count the numbers. Hip hip hooray. We will count slowly, one by one. Counting together is so much fun. One little ball, round and red and small. One little ball bouncing down the hall. One little ball, just one you see, let's say it together. One with me, two blue cars, driving near and far. Two blue cars, beep beep, here they are. One and two, count with you, let's say two together, me and you.
Three yellow stars shining in the sky.
Three yellow stars twinkle way up high.
1, 2, 3, count and see. 3 little stars. 1, 2, 3.
Four green trees swaying in the breeze.
Four green trees, counting is so
1,
easy.
2, 3, 4, let's count once more.
4 green trees
By the door. Five little ducks swimming in a line. Five little ducks quack quack doing fine. With 3, 4, 5 counting makes us smile. 5 little ducks all the while.